Ear infections is something that is super common in pets and can be especially frustrating for owners, seeing how they can be reoccurring ailments even despite proper medical treatment. There are some breeds that are predisposed to ear infections, meaning they're more prone to get them in their lifetime. Some of these breeds include pit bulls, shih tzus, poodles, and even basset hounds. There are also a lot of environmental things that go into factor in if they are going to get ear infections. For example, like, do they play in the water a lot? Do they have long hair around their ears that will trap all the bacteria and dirt and grime in their ear, causing infections? There are also some breeds that develop hair inside the ear, and that also will make them more prone to getting ear infections, along with just the age of the animal. The older that they get, the more likely they'll get ear infection. Some things you might notice if your dog is developing an ear infection is if you look at the ear itself and it's really red and inflamed. It might even be hot to the touch. Some of them will have a lot of debris inside. It could be like a brown or black color. They could start shaking their head a lot. This could also indicate ear mites, but it could just be because there's a lot of bacteria present and it's making it very itchy. A lot of the time, it'll also have a really strong odor coming from it, and there could also be discharge as well. Since ear infections can be really painful, we are very lucky that there can be easy solutions to this. A lot of the time we just need to swab the ear and then look at it under a microscope to see what kind of bacteria is in there. And then depending on what we see, we will just prescribe antibiotics and a cleaning solution for the ear. But we can have more serious cases with chronic ear infections that are just occurring over and over again, and those ones might need surgery. Fortunately, there are some things that you can do at home if your pet is prone to ear infections or does have chronic ear infection. Some of those things that you can do at home is making sure that you are keeping the ear nice and clean, using an ear cleaning solution designated for dogs and cats, and just learning how to safely do it so that way you're not damaging the ear canal at all. And then also by trimming the hair that is growing inside the ear safely. I would use like clippers at home, and definitely don't use any scissors because you don't want to accidentally trim the ear.